Wintermester. Um, I'm really excited. I love Math 202, and I know that that makes me kind of in the minority. Most people are not huge math fans, but Math 202 is going to be covering geometry and then probability and statistics. And the biggest thing we need to remember about this class is since it is the Wintermester, it is going to be going really, really fast. So I'm going to kind of give us a jump start here right now. And then it's going to be on you guys to get started. And it's also going to be on you to reach out for help. I'm going to be checking in with you, but please don't wait for me to check in on you. Reach out to me as soon as you have a question over the class, or over material, or really anything. So I'm on our Moodle page right now, and I'm gonna put our video right here. Got my little reminder there. And then I have our agenda, and I just put up the whole class agenda since we only meet for 3 weeks. I just threw it all up here. So I've got our exam 1 agenda, exam 2, exam 3, and then our final exam. So we can see every due date right here on this home page. Also have my information up here as well, my email. Since it's a Wintermester, I'm not going to be in my office, so you're going to have to email me, and then we also can meet over Zoom as well. We don't have scheduled meetings over Zoom since it is the holiday season, but we can set up a time that works for both of us as long as you give me enough advance notice. It is the holiday season, so I might not be able to do something right away. So I'll need like a day's notice to set up a time to meet with you over Zoom. We also are going to use the Remind text message system. So it's a way for me to send you reminders about due dates that are coming up. And there are going to be fast due dates because of this fast semester. So I would definitely sign up for the Remind just by clicking right here. I don't see your cell phone number. You don't see my cell phone number. It's like nice and encrypted that way, but it is a great way to send quick reminders to you. And you also can message me back as well. I've got all of our due dates are in the attendance, so you can see what's coming up. We've got questions you can ask right here. And then I've got everything broken down into our tiles. I'm going to dive first into our course info. We've got our syllabus posted. I've got common questions that come up from past semesters. Students wanting to know, how am I supposed to learn the material in an online class when we're not meeting? Which is a really valid question. So I have a whole document going over it. Other questions about my math lab or about common things about calculators, I've put in frequently asked questions. And the biggest one is at the end of this, I'm going to tell you what your to-do list is to get started. And the biggest one is my math lab. So this is going to take us to directions on how to register for my math lab. So that's going to be a big one right there, is those directions. Get back to our course info page here. In our videos that I made, I'm going to be using a blank notes packet that I'm writing through and working on the problems. So I've got a blank one right here that you can download or print out to use to take your own notes. I have videos recorded, and they're going to be housed with their homework, but if you need to go back up and look at another one, I've got a list of all the videos right here. And then also, I've got directions on how to show work in my math lab, and that's going to come up as we get closer to exam 1. And by class lectures right here, I just mean lectures that I would normally do if we were meeting face-to-face, but we're not, so I have pre-recorded them there. Then in each exam tile, I've got a place that you can ask questions. I've got some information about how exams work again, those same videos, just kind of a little bit for each exam. So what I need you to do right now is to go ahead and get in Moodle, look over everything like that syllabus that was in this course info, really give all that course info a good look over, read through how you learn the material, all those frequently asked questions. And then I need you to go ahead and get signed up for My Math Lab. And My Math Lab is our textbook for our class. It's online. So you're not getting a physical thing you're going to hold in your hand, but what you're purchasing is access to My Math Lab. Now, if you've used My Math Lab here at Coastal or across the street at HGTC, then you might not need to buy it again, just depending on when your account expires. So if you've got an active account, no reason to buy it again. You can just add My Class. And that information is right here in number 4. It's the one that has hedges and the number. If you do need to buy access, maybe yours expired or this is the first class you're using with My Math Lab, then you're going to go and you're going to purchase My Math Lab following these steps. You have 2 options, an 18-week and a 24-month. If you still have to take Math 201, your best option is probably going to be to pay for the 24-month access. That way, you don't have to pay again for the class. If you've already taken Math 201 and this is going to be your last math class you have to take, then definitely just buy the 18-week. It is cheaper. So the 18-week is cheaper. But if you're going to have to buy it again for Math 201 later, it's cheaper to get the 24-month now than buying 2 18-months. So you just have to choose what's best for you. We do have an option of a 2-week free trial, which actually gets you through quite a bit of this class. So if you're not ready to pay for access yet, I need you to go ahead and get in My Math Lab using that 2-week free trial. Really, getting in My Math Lab is the thing that I need you to work on right now. That way I can help you if there are any issues. So, welcome to Math 202 on the Wintermester. It's going to be a short, fun semester. What I need you to do right now is to go onto our Moodle page and look over all that course info that we have, the syllabus, all that stuff, and also get registered, however that might work for you, depending on those options for My Math Lab. Once you get going with that, then we can look at the material. But right now, I just need to get comfortable with the course. Please reach out over email if you have any questions whatsoever, and good luck this semester.